Khublai jubun fibro kijing tip nam tai khubor light kam hikai te gidon artli kam hikai ki balai ta kasngi te kita kalong kan kaman kong kade po St George Higher Secondary School Nong Man Song requires an assistant teacher to teach history geography with MA B.Ed and an art and craft teacher. Apply on or before 10 July te number phone ro dab ai khandai sau lai ndreu khandai sau pra khandai pra te hange la shong by MA B.Ed, so MA with any subject, maybe social, history, geography, MA with B.Ed, and art and craft. Lane but art and craft mud arngot ki post ki balat ko wegede art and craft ko wegede MA with B.Ed. Te lada pi kwa ban kli bne bha te nagam ta ga jing ti ba khamne phila ban phone ni number phone bladap ai apo khandai sau lai ndreu khandai sau pra khandai pra. Sakawe pat ka post ka balat ka bere jong deficit kana. Teachers wanted. One post of assistant teacher is invited. Qualification they belong BSc PCM with B.Ed, Lane MSc B.Ed. Age and pay can debit as per deficit school norms. Application in standard form along with complete qualification document and WhatsApp number should reach on or before debit point. Ha lane shua kharkhnai tarik manai July ka date of written test kindon kata written test kinsan notify personally you feel bag tigi number ko fil ai hang tu apok application form headmaster and secretary Aradonga secondary deficit school kana dia po Aradonga secondary deficit school ka po West Khasi Hill Meghalaya Aradonga via Hahim post office Kamrup Assam 781129 te ka po border Assam Hajan border Assam kadi kanang dia po West Khasi Hill te magajan po border Assam. Te kita kiba kwa ban apply gini post hang next claim I number phone ai tamba ada mention ne ga kerteng jong ka school te pihak ban late support school ada pidon kiba perlok kiba jan pilawan phai kade po Aradonga secondary school kade deficit te hang te ada qualify kade nam ta BSc PCM la ne MSc PCM te kitu gibron kam kisa le gibron kam da ko wat jing tip habe de kene ka post ka last date kade kharkhnai tarik July arjar arsau itang ini jim tip khulish bun